Hi guys, I'm learning how to work with Claude, and this website is the result. And the last page I've created just now is I've installed in a VirtualBox every single tiling window manager, and of course also desktop manager, and made an image. So with Claude, I'm building this, and I'm sure I'll make some AI tutorials about it in our member section, right? And one of those things is it's alive, right? It moves a little bit. And if we click here with the arrows up here, up there, and not only that, but the keyboard, right? Your keyboard is gonna function by like this, which we normally would expect, right? But it's nothing behind there, in the sense there is no CMS behind there, content management system. It is all pure code. All right, enjoy the new page, and you'll see what you can get. Basically, these two guys are by default on your system. XFC, everybody knows. And a tiling window manager, maybe something for you. Give it a try. And the rest is the ATT. What is ATT? Ctrl+Alt+E. It's an application that we have that basically installs all these guys, right? There's those 13 desktop / tiling window managers are depicted, are shown here. Cheers.